Hey guys, Richard here, e-bike reviews and adventures. Today, I'm riding the Perraro Siesta. It's our newest trike that we got into the channel here, and we've been riding a little bit, kind of enjoying it. And well, today I want to show you just how stable it is or isn't. We're going to do a stability test, kind of go over a few things, and yeah, go from there. So first of all, real quick as a recap, if you missed our earlier videos, this is a 750 watt motor. We've got an 18 amp hour battery right back here underneath the rear basket. We have mechanical disc brakes. We have a right-handed thumb throttle, and we have blinkers, and we even got this real cool feature, a reverse, with a little backup alarm if you can hear that. So let's get back to the stability of this trike, because some trikes are, well, a little less stable than others. And you as a consumer need to know just how stable a particular trike is. That's why we like doing these little stability tests. So we're going to start off in pedal assist 1. And we're just going to do some donuts right here. Kind of show you a little bit. That's 3 miles an hour right there. The back wheel's not coming off the ground, okay? And I'm not having to really lean much. So you see that I'm kind of mostly upright. So it's doing pretty good. We're doing almost 4.5 miles an hour now. And we're still doing fine. Let's go a little bit faster. We're going to do 5.5. Still doing fine. There, the rear tire came off the ground just a little bit. We're going to bump it up in the pass number 2. Get a little bit faster. There's about 6 miles an hour. There we go. There we go. So when you hit about 6 miles an hour, that's where it's going to start being a problem if you're in a tight turn. Now, I wouldn't advise that you go out there and cut donuts with one of these things, especially doing anything over 5 miles an hour, because I really think 2 or 3 is more than enough. But you get the idea. This trike is built pretty well. We're happy with it. We can do some things with it and not have to worry about too much about it flipping over on us. Hey guys, we hope you like this video. It's just a short one to kind of show you what this trike is all about. Make sure you watch the other videos that we have on the Perraro Siesta. There's going to be more content coming your way. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, leave any comments down below. We're going to see you in another video real soon.